Hi, I'm Rodrigo from DripWorks, and today we're going to take a look at the Amiad 2-inch Super T Filter. This robust filter is essential for protecting your irrigation system from debris and ensuring optimal performance. The Amiad 2-inch Super T Filter is ideal for a variety of applications, including agricultural irrigation, landscape watering, and even industrial use. It's designed to handle high flow rates and effectively remove sand, silt, and other particles that can clog your drip emitters or spray nozzles. Installing the Amiad 2-inch Super T filter is straightforward. First, determine the appropriate location in your mainline, ensuring sufficient space for access and maintenance. The filter should be installed after your backflow preventer and pressure regulator, if applicable. Connect the filter to your mainline using appropriate fittings. Here we have 3/4 inch PVC to demonstrate installation. Make sure all the connections are tight to prevent leaks. The filter can be installed in either a horizontal or vertical position. Just make sure that the body of the filter is facing downwards so it can filter properly. Regular cleaning is crucial for maintaining the filter's efficiency. The frequency of cleaning depends on the amount of debris in your water source. Luckily, the filter is designed for easy maintenance. To clean the filter, first, shut off the water supply. Then relieve any pressure in the line. Open the filter housing and inside you'll see the screen. Remove the screen and rinse thoroughly with clean water. A brush can be used to remove any stubborn debris. Over time, the filter screen may become worn or damaged and need replacement. Replacing the screen is a simple process. Simply remove the old screen, then insert the new screen while making sure it's properly seated, then close the filter housing securely. For optimal performance, inspect your filter screen regularly. The frequency of cleaning and replacements will depend on your specific water quality. Keep a spare screen on hand to minimize downtime. And remember, DripWorks offers a wide range of replacement screens and other irrigation supplies. The Amiad 2-inch Super T filter is a reliable and easy to maintain solution for keeping your irrigation system clean and running smoothly. Visit dripworks.com for more information and to order yours today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope we see you next time. Goodbye.